Hello guys, and welcome one more time to my channel. Today is a very good day. Can you smell it? This is the smell of success. No, but yes, today we will taste a little of what we love. Are you ready to make money with me? So, let's go for it. So friends, we continue our trading session. Today we open Microsoft. Such a trend as Microsoft on off-exchange trading. Today we will trade. Okay, since there is a rather high percentage of profit on other currency pairs is much lower. Also, I do not always recommend trading on not to worry. There is a lot of volatility here. But in this case, it is when we are trying to disperse the account and disperse it to us. Volatility plays into the hands. Let's set up with your indicators. The first thing we'll do is set up. Stochastics show us the upper lines, the upper boundaries of the resistance line you see right here in green, and the lower lines. The support line is also indicated in yellow. We will also set the zigzag as we did before. They show price hikes and price minus today. We will also use an indicator like the alligator, which shows the alligator. Here we have the three lines, the blue line, the red line, and the lettuce green. They show the general trend and movement of the chart at its maximum average and minimum points. That is, if we see a blue line, this is our chart, our trend, moved exactly along bottom point. That is, our price minimum first increased, then decreased, then again autos, and so on. Then we have a red line. So the red line, it just shows the middle value. That is, if we click on the 5-minute time frame, yes, we will see that the red line is an indicator of exactly the average value, and the light green, this is the price hike of the price. The maximum is marked with the golden line, but the analysis of the chart itself we consider on 3 minutes. Okay, since we will have deals today by the minute, we select that. Our chart shows first. We're going to open trades right now, so let's go. We will do that. We will open right now this for 2 minutes. 2 minutes with us. Unfortunately, we don't have it, so we'll stop a minute. Okay. We can see it here also for 2 minutes. So continue our deal with this life hack. I'll show you right now how to use it. Let's start pressing down. Let's open 2 deals right here. Let's have a strong 3 deals for this. I will show clearly on the chart itself. We firstly see the conjugation of the price minimum, maximum. Here we have the price maximum. The maximum is indicated. And it is, as you can see, the shadows from the candle are also here. We have a chart. I marked the yellow lines right here, and this is the line of resistance. And you see from this we are on a downward chart movement, the next alligator, that we can understand. We can understand if that our price minimum, okay, as well as the average value, it went up. That is, we had an increase right here. After this, we can see that we have a growth. Therefore, there will be a stage of stabilization at the top point. This is when the intersections occurs of the 3 lines, and then our own decreases. So right now we will click on third. We still have them 40 seconds, and we see that so far our schedule fluctuates in 1 hour. For it, we'll close most likely in plus before our forecast is with U by 90, for example, and the truth must justify. If it does not justify itself, then this is an exception to the rule. I will repeat this deal with an increased bank. So it is very important to make a sufficient amount in the account, or from the amount to make rational transactions. So the first deal we plus. Second plus third down. So we continue to open deals right here, yes. We also continue to open for a fall. Severed by patterns and patterns, and you can trade with here. It's how we have now seen our course. Implemented only 2 transactions out of 3. After that, we opened 5 more. Why do we do it very simple? Because in this near future, our chart should go down, slicing the lower end down. I think the next 2 times will be enough. But again, it is not enough. We will increase the number of we have here 12 short trades, and we will analyze what will happen next. Okay, so for now that the chart influences in one value until the closing of we have less than a minute left. Let's wait, okay, and let's see what happens. What will happen to our deals in the end? How will they close? Will the plus close or the minus close? Let's see. We see that the chart has deviated from our value, and most likely there won't be enough time to close. Here we see that it closes in the red, but that's okay, don't worry. We continue to open deals. We opened 12 deals this time. Okay, down. Okay, also for 2 minutes. So we see a rather exciting moment that our chart breaks through price, hikes, and turns to politics. But I think that this will stop, and our schedule sometime will go. At this point, it is rational to set the minute time frame and launch another 12 trades, I guess. Downhill for the proposed makeup for your loss, and as a result, if lower deals are not closed, even from above. Okay, and so the bottom trades we see is closing, but we have 23 more deals. It was quite an exciting movement now, because the schedule is, as I repeat, very volatile, and we see that through deals. Okay, it's closing at plus or minus, but more deals, more numbers, and we continue to set the value or finishes. Okay, let's open another 15 deals for a fall. As we see, our chart is slowly starting to confirm our pattern. You can see this right here, and here we will open our guesses with you. 10 deals, okay, and we'll wait for confirmation of our forecast. And we will wait too for the realization of our income. Okay, we see that again some of the deals were closed in plus, but this is not enough for us. We're together in this, friends. We continue to open deals. Open 15 deals for a fall for 1 minute. Because our forecast with you says that in the near future the chart should go down based on all our patterns and based on all our tools and that we analyzed. We see that at this point in time the chart is acquiring a downward movement, thus confirming our pattern and our opening of transactions before the closing of transactions remain less than a half minute. Now we will wait. Let's wait for the closure. So the first deals are closed. Yes. Closes in plus. The next one also closes in plus. So everything is great. We have already reached plus income, plus enough. Wow, this was a very exciting moment. But you and me are able to income this and earn. Let's wait for growth. And afterwards, okay, we will open for a fall, yes? As the schedule is a long time to go down and therefore justifies our pattern, we will switch to this exchange. There is also analyze the graph. And there is a similar situation right here with less volatility. Also, if the chart reaches this point to the price hike of the previous, this will be a direct sign that you need to open for a increase because the first timeline. Here is a great move, 15 trades for 2 minutes. Now just the same. You see when the cost is growing. One of the other, either a pair of or a stock stabilities, and is near this point. This means that it will change direction in the near future. That is, if it has previously stabilized the top point of the move down, then now we see that it is heading, and here is showed stabilized. Then we will open, yes, and we see that the first maximum price has been broken. So in the near future we will definitely reborn for him. Okay, pay attention. Now we will open 25 deals ourselves. Okay, our trades are closing negative, unfortunately. But it's okay. We want to go points to ensure this dish. So we will expect to close. Before the closing of transactions, we have less than a minute. All we can do now is just wait and wait for perfect deals and stay calm, okay? So the first deals are close plus, closes. I think next deals because the stock is quite large and so great. Yes, guys, we are winning, we are winning. Look at this. Already 900 net profit. Set the minute. But this is a bad entry point, to be honest. But now, just the same, it will probably be successful. Okay, great. Now we are playing for a fall. Okay, listen. Opening deals. It would be rational to say. A little bit simple, gradually open a deal. At this point, we are already conditioned by our initial first pattern with you, which again believes that we have a new high and the resistance line, from which just the same goes all fluctuations. And therefore, after we saw the group, look at this, the group of candles with shadows that push out the chart, they collided with our high price. Here too, it is precisely from him that we course of downward move and will stabilize. Yes, look at this, guys. Yes, this is what I am talking about. Alright, oh my god, that's very good. Okay, everything is closed. We did it, friends. So that's all, guys. Woo! That was great. So if you want to know all the secrets of this method, so you know what to do. Subscribe right now, let's beat the bell, let's crush the like button, and see you in the next one. Goodbye, winners.